Why did half the web go dark for hours? Because one region tripped a domino. Let's break it down fast. At 11:49 p.m. PDT on OCT19, US East 1 started spitting errors. By 12:26 a.m. PDT, Amazon traced it to DNS resolution problems for DynamoDB regional endpoints. Engineers mitigated that by 2:24 a.m., but the damage had already cascaded. An EC2 subsystem that launches instances depended on DynamoDB and stumbled. Network load balancer health checks went wobbly. Services recovered gradually. Amazon says everything was back by 3:01 p.m. PDT, roughly a 15-hour global disruption. Alexa, Prime Video, Roblox, Zoom, airlines, banks, warehouses reported outages. Down Detector logged over 11 million reports. Experts say this exposes a cloud consolidation problem. When one giant goes down, tons of services follow. Oh, and yes, X stayed up and the memes began. Bottom line, single region failures still break the internet. Time to rethink redundancy.